Hey everyone, so far you have written a Terraform code to deploy your S3 bucket, and also you have used variables in our last classes to make the code dynamic. So now in this class we are going to talk about the outputs. Okay, so what are the outputs in the Terraform? So outputs is the main topic here. So suppose in different programming languages, like if you have C++, you have Java, you have Python, in all these languages you might have used different syntax to just print any kind of value which you want to print on the screen. So for CPP we have cout, for Java we have system.out.println. Okay, it's quite a big one. Then in Python we have the print statement. Okay, so similarly in Terraform we have this outputs. So outputs is basically like a print statement. Okay, so if you want to print any information about your resource, for example, if you're deploying a EC2 instance and there we want to get the information about our public IP, so that you can get in case of S3 bucket, we can get the bucket name like that. Okay, so anything which you want to print on the screen, and if you want to use that value in somewhere, then we can just simply use the outputs. Okay, so we'll just create one output file, and I'll just simply tell you the syntax how it will be. So the syntax will be simply you have to write output, and then you have to write some name here. Okay, open close curly braces. In description, if you want to add anything, and the value which you want to store there, that you have to write. Okay, so I will quickly show you how you can do it. So just open up your VS Code, and already I have here. So I will be creating the file outputs.tf, right? Okay, we are done here, and I will create the, here you can see by input output. Already I got the boiler code here, and I will simply write the bucket name. Okay, or simply bucket is also fine. And then in the description we can add this is the bucket name. Okay, after that we will add a comma. Okay, and then not comma is not required, sorry. We will just give the value, and the value I'll be using this one. I have this AWS3 bucket, and then here also if you see in the main.tf we have this AWS3 bucket, and this is the name is showing in the second one. Okay, so if I change just this to S3 my bucket, so it will be a clear idea for you. So here you can see in outputs.tf, if I do dot, it will give me my bucket, then I give dot, it will show me all the information which I can print. So simply I want to just print the bucket name. Okay, or it's a bucket domain name. If I do just bucket, it will give me some information. Okay, just bucket is also fine. Okay, so in this way you can just simply define an output block. Okay, so here the output bucket name, these first line determines the name of the output, what it will be in the description which we have added, and the value which you want to simply display, okay, or print. So next, the command which you are already aware, the next we'll be adding the, we'll type terraform apply, okay. So let me just do terraform plan, I will do first, okay, and then I will do apply. Let's wait. Okay, plan is done. I'll just close it, yeah. Just clear the screen, and I will do terraform apply. And here I have to just enter yes, enter, and you can see it was the bucket is creating. And now here you can see the in outputs, you can see the output is coming as the, I guess it is the name of the bucket we are getting. And here also in variables you can see the same name, right? It will be where we are defining in TF was we have 78945666613. Okay, so in this way you can see the output. Okay, so even if you type here terraform output, we are going to see some info. And here you can see that in this also you can see the output of any like variable or not variable, like output blocks. Okay, so that's it, and we will keep quickly see what we covered. We covered about the outputs, okay, and you got to know about how you can define the outputs like this block, and how you can give the value and how it is coming. Okay, whatever resource you have and the resource name you have to type, and here you will be having different attributes. Okay, so that's it, and in the next video we are going to talk about Terraform state. So be ready, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.